I'm here in Belmar, New Jersey, and I'm standing where the boardwalk used to be, completely shredded. You can see it for miles, and in fact, all of the boardwalk along the Jersey Shore is completely destroyed. The police along here don't want you here. In fact, if they see me here, they'll tell me to leave. We've been kicked out before trying to visit the devastation on the Jersey Shore. All the best devastation has like military preventing you from looting the houses and the businesses of the destroyed buildings. You can see the broken boardwalk for miles in that direction. I don't know if you can see this, but we're driving north on the parkway in South Jersey, and like every 10 feet there's a tree that's fallen. And these are big trees. Most of them have not fallen across the road, but some obviously have, and they've trimmed them back. But it's just crazy. Just see like hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of fallen trees along here. We're in Keansburg, New Jersey, and look at all this debris collected on the side. We're coming up on the Keansburg amusement park. We just drove by it and it looks completely destroyed. You can see the trash that people threw away from the flooding damage to their homes. Just like furniture and mattresses, televisions, washing machines. All the streets are lined with this garbage. So this is Keansburg Amusement Park. It's pretty destroyed. Doing cleanup here. All these arcades just destroyed. These machines, salt water in these video machines. These rides seem like damaged beyond repair. Is the Keansburg Pier. The pylons are mostly in place, but you can see that the top has been mostly torn away.